Welcome to PrLet Property Management and Letting Software. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a landlord. So we select Add New Landlord from the navigation menu. I want to maximize the screen. Select the type or category of landlord. Now depending on which value you select, you're given different options. For example, here by selecting a business I'm able to enter company information. But for this tutorial we're going to concentrate on an individual or a person. So we select individual person, subcategory, prefix, and enter a name. Let's call him Norman Bates. Now, the title is used throughout the entire software to identify this landlord. It defaults by concatenating the first name and the surname, but you are able to overwrite it. You're given the option of also entering an external reference, a registration date which defaults to today's date, the local authority or council and its reference number, and also the status which defines its visibility. For example, active is available throughout the entire system. Work in progress allows you to make changes which are not publicly available, and archive, which is an alternative to deletions. Now you can see the menu path on the left hand side also corresponds and allows you to view the data according to the type of status. Now that's added an address. You'll notice the postcode will be changed to uppercase, and the system has created the longitude and latitude that allows the landlord to be plotted on a Google map. We'll enter an email address. And we'll add an additional contact. Now we can add as many contacts as we like, and we can also define the type of contact. So let's add one for access. Let's add a mobile number. And make it SMS enabled. Right. Now let's move to the bank accounts. Now these are the bank accounts where payments will be made when a tenancy agreement has been defined. So let's just add a bank account. We can define the validity period, the from and to. So if we have multiple bank accounts, and now let's add a property. We can again add as many properties as we like. So I'm going to just choose one property. Let's add another property, but this time I'm going to show you if you've got quite a lot of properties, you can use the search facility here to narrow down the selection. So we've got now 2 properties. And to add an alert, so let's give this the title. Put a welcome pack and a deadline for next week. I'm also going to add a letter. Let's give the letter a title. We use today's date. As you can see, the letter's pre-populated with the date, the address, and we've also got the option using templates for text that we use common. Let's also add an attachment. I can either upload the file or I can just simply drag the file onto the attachments pane. Let's save that. Now just to see what the letter and the attachments look like, let's select the link. And there you see the letter's been created for you. It includes the logo and the company address, which are defined during the account setup stage. And also let's have a look at the attachments. It's a fairly simple attachment. It's just a PDF with a logo in there. But it shows you how you can add letters and attachments to the Landlord. We can also use the notes section to add any additional notes and comments. Let's save the Landlord, and that takes us to the reporting view. I'm going to drill down on the Landlord, and what we can see is there are no invoices or bills because we haven't created any tenancy agreements, but the two properties that we entered are listed underneath, and we've also got the contact details that we entered. So that shows you how to create a Landlord, how to enter additional contact information, create letters, and upload attachments. So thank you very much for using PrLet, and please feel free to view our other tutorials.